It's Friday, yay! All right, so you guys have been doing so good this week, getting work done, trying to make up any missed assignments. So for today, there are two links down below to some books. So they are some actors and famous people. They're a little bit older, so you guys might not recognize them, but they're going to read you guys some books. And guess what? They are AR quizzes. So when you listen to one of the books, then you can use the code I dropped below to take an AR quiz on it. And then you can listen to another book and then take the AR quiz on that. Don't listen to both books and then take the AR quizzes because you might get the details confused. But listen to one book and then take an AR quiz. You can listen to the other book and take an AR quiz. Definitely try to get your AR quizzes in today so that it can be counted for the week. And then there are also 10 high frequency words down below. It is optional, meaning you don't have to do it. It is up to you and your parents if you want to practice them. You don't have to turn anything in for it. You can practice making sentences with the words. I put the meaning of some of the words next to some of them to kind of make it clear because some of the words have more than one meaning. So I just dropped that in there and made it easy for you, a little bit easier for you guys. So, but we definitely want to take those two AR quizzes today, and then you can practice your high frequency words if you would like. All right. Don't forget to complete your assignments for this week by Saturday to make sure you're keeping up. And if you are struggling with getting anything done, please, please, please tell your parents to call me. In fact, I will make sure to send out my phone number again to your parents so that if they can't get me through Dojo and they want to talk on the phone, then they can actually call my phone, send me a text message, and so I know who's calling, and then that way I can help you guys with anything you need. I am here to help you, okay? So please don't stress out or go crazy. Like, just let me know if there's something that you're struggling with, and I will do my best to help you through it. All right. Other than that, I want you guys to have a fantastic Friday. All right. Bye.